my Promethean board just cut off. So I'm back. We're going to finish this section out. When we're finding angle measurements, notice it has to be, you have to know that these lines are parallel. You have to know. If they're not parallel, you cannot make the assumptions of equality and supplementary. So now we know these lines are parallel, so I'm going to make my angle marks. And it says angle 1 is 68 degrees. So if I had to find all these angle measurements, here's what I know. I know that angle 1 is 68, and I know that 4 is 68 because of vertical angles. I know that 4 and 5 are going to be alternating interior, so that's 68 degrees. I know that 8 and 5 are vertical, so that's 68 degrees. I know that angles 1 and 2 are supplementary to each other, so if this is 68, so supplementary, they add up to 180. So 68 minus 180 is going to be 112. And now I'm going to just go 2 and 3 are vertical. 3 and 6 are alternating interior. 6 and 7 are vertical. And so now I have all my angle measurements, and I just go back and fill in. This is 112. Angle 3 is 112. Angle 4 is 68. Angle 5 is 68 degrees. Angle 6 is 112 degrees. Angle 7 is 112 degrees, and angle 8 is 68 degrees. So that's how we fill in those measurements. Let's do number 3. Okay. Now it's telling me that these guys are parallel, C and D. So I'm going to make my parallel marks, and I know that 8 is 97 degrees. So again, 8 and 2 are vertical. 8 and 4 are alternating interior, and 4 and 6 are vertical, so that's 97. These guys are supplementary, so 180 minus 97 is going to be 85 degrees, maybe not 85 degrees, 83 degrees, my bad, 83 degrees. Yeah. And then vertical angles, that guy's 83, alternating interior, that guy's 83, vertical, this guy's 83. 1 and 3. So I'm just filling in the blanks, and then I'm going back and writing them on my paper. So 97 degrees, angle 3 is 83 degrees, angle 4 is 97 degrees. And again, you could arrive at it different ways. These are consecutive interiors, and they're also supplementary. Angle 5 is 83 degrees, angle 6 is 97 degrees, and angle 7 is 83 degrees. Now, I do like number 4. I think these are fun because it's kind of like a big puzzle that you have to solve. And it's telling me that these guys are parallel to each other. Okay, so I have 2 transversals. I've got Y as a transversal and X as a transversal. So if this guy's 104, I know that 9 is 104. I know that 10 is going to be 76 because supplementary. And I know 8 is going to be 76. All right, I know that 11 is 76 because of alternating interior. 12 and 9 are alternating interior. 12 and 13 are vertical. And 11 and 14 are vertical. So now I have this filled in. Over here, we know that this guy's 59, so 6 is vertical, so 6 is 59 degrees. I know that 3 is 59 degrees because of alternating interior. And I know that 3 and 2 are vertical, so that's 59 degrees. Again, we have supplementary, so this is going to be 121 degrees. Angle 4 is going to be 121. Angle 5, alternating interior, is 121. And then angle 7 is vertical, and that's also 121. So then you could go back and fill in all of this matching. So that's how I do it. Number 5, these are just fun to fill in. So 36 and 8, that's vertical. You know supplementary, so that's going to be 142. 9 is going to be 142 degrees. Look at this guy. So you can't say that 7 and 2 are alternating interior because you've got this whole measurement would be alternating interior. I do know that there's 90 degrees in a triangle. This is 90. Angle 3 is going to be 90 degrees. Angle 6 is going to be 90 degrees. And then if 90 and 2. So look at angles 3, 2, and 3 is going to be 142. So if this is 90, this guy is going to be 52 degrees because angle 7 is alternating interior with 2 and 3. And then I can do, this is also 90. So if angle 2 is 52, then angle 1 is going to be 38 because they have to be 90 degrees. Or you can say 7 and 1 are going to be same side interior, consecutive interior, so that's going to add up to 180. I know that angles 2 and 5 are vertical, so that's 52, and I know that 1 and 4 are vertical, so that's 38 degrees. So go ahead and put all those measurements on your paper, but that's how you fill those guys in.